SY BSc Mathematics syllabus SAME first. Now in SAME first there are total 3 courses. First so first course is calculus of several variables the second course is numerical methods. There are 2 courses, numerical methods and its application the B here from these 2 courses, second is graph theory. Here these 2 courses are optional, course A and B. From this you have to select one, and the third course is practical, mathematics practical. So here in this semester this subject is compulsory subject. So from these 2 courses we are going to select numerical methods and its application. That is A and its applications. So therefore in SAME first there are total 3 courses. Calculus of several variables Number 2 is numerical methods. We have selected numerical methods and its applications and number 3 is mathematics practical. Okay. So now we are going to discuss detailed syllabus of these 2 courses. So first, calculus of several variables. In this course there are total 4 units. Unit number 1, limit and continuity. Unit 2, partial derivative and differentiability. Unit 3, extreme values. And unit number 4, multiple integrals. So there are total 4 units. Now in first unit, that is in limit and continuity, here in this limit and continuity we are going to see the domain. Here we are going to see what is the domain, then range of multivariable function, then level curve also we are going to see here, level curves, and then we are going to check whether the limit of the multivariable function, several variable is exist or not. We are going to check whether it is continuous at given point. Okay. Now in partial derivatives we are going to determine higher derivatives of the given multivariable function. Then we are going to see here mixed partial derivatives are there, and some standard functions differentiability we are going to see. Now in extreme values we are going to check here the second derivative test, that is we are going to determine critical points, and then by using first derivative test. Now using second derivative test we are going to check whether given critical point is maximum or minimum or saddle points. In multiple integrals we are going to see the Fubini's theorem first, that is for double integral. Then also we are going to we are going to transform our double integral to polar form. Okay. Then next we are going to determine the area of closed region bounded by curves. Then again we are going to see here triple integrals. Then Jacobian, we are also with the help of Jacobian we are going to determine transform change the variable of multiple integral. Also one more important point here, we are going to change the order of integration, order of integration. So here total there are 4 units: limits and continuity, then partial derivatives and differentiability, extreme values, multiple integral. The first unit is related to limit and continuity of several variable. In second unit we are going to determine the partial derivative, higher order derivative, third order derivative, fourth order derivative, then mixed partial derivative when mixed partial derivatives are equal. In extreme value we are going to check whether we are going to determine critical point by using first derivative test, and then by using second derivative test we are going to check whether given stationary points are maximum or minimum. Then in multiple integration we are going to determine area of closed region, then change the variable, change the order of integrations. Okay. Now next volume also we are going to see in multiple integration. In course number 2, that is numerical methods and its applications, here first chapter is solution of algebraic and transcendental equations. This is the first unit. Then second unit is interpolation. Then third unit is numerical differentiation and integration. And integration. Then number 4, numerical solution of first order, ordinary differential equation. So these are the total 4 units we are going to see here. Now in the first chapter we are going to determine what are the zeros or roots of the given algebraic or transcendental equation by using bisection method is there, then bisection is there, then regular falsy or it is called false position method is there, then Newton-Raphson method is there. Okay, also first we are going to see the error. Error is nothing but the difference between the true value and approximate value. Now in interpolation, first in interpolation we are going to see the finite difference operators, forward difference operator, backward difference operators, then shift operator is there, then Newton interpolation formula is there, Lagrange's interpolation formula we are going to see in this chapter, interpolation. Now in numerical differentiation, by using Newton forward difference formula, okay, we are going to determine the numerical differentiation. Okay, then for numerical integration we are going to apply here three methods. First trapezoidal method, then Simpson 1/3, then Simpson 3/8 rules we are going to apply to evaluate the numerical integration. Now in numerical solution of first order differential equation, here we are going to solve the numerically the first order differential equation, dy by dx is equal to f of xy by using Taylor series method. Then next Euler method is there, Euler method, then modified Euler method is there, modified Euler method. Next Runge-Kutta method is there. Okay, by using Runge-Kutta method, next Runge-Kutta method, there are again two Runge-Kutta method, second order and fourth order. By using this four method we are going to find the solution of the given first order differential equation. Okay, so and now last there is mathematics practical. The third course is mathematics practical. Here mathematics practical. So this course based on this course is based on we are going to see some practicals on calculus of several variable, that is from course 1, and number 2 numerical methods and its application, and third we are going to see some maxima software practicals. Okay, so thank you.